Want to send a photo on WhatsApp without worrying about someone taking a screenshot? In this video, I'll show you how to block screenshots by using WhatsApp's View Once feature. Stick around till the end. It's super easy but really useful for keeping things private. Start by opening the WhatsApp app on your phone. This works on both iPhone and Android. Make sure you're in the chat section. Now, go ahead and tap on the chat where you want to send the private photo. At the bottom, tap the camera icon. Then in the bottom left, tap on the gallery icon to pick a photo from your phone. Scroll through your gallery and select the image you want to send. At the top right corner, you'll see a one icon next to the Add a Caption box. This is the View Once option. Tap on it. You'll see a message that says the photo can only be viewed once, and screenshots will be blocked. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future tech tips like this. Now just tap Send, and you're done. The person receiving the photo will only be able to view it once, and they can't take a screenshot while it's open. WhatsApp automatically blocks it for extra privacy. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.